This is your turn where you ask me questions and I try to answer them. Somebody finally noticed. Where'd you get that big shaving? What have you been turning? Well, ain't me. Sorry about that. This is cool. I have a buddy, Nobel Peters, and he is a young guy, really hard worker, and he's doing roughed out bowl blanks as a living. Reforgedwood at gmail.com if you want to contact him. But anyway, in learning how to do the bowl blanks, he's taking bigger and bigger cuts, and I have this little bitty grind on my tool, and you can see there's no way I could take an 1.5 inch wide shaving, but he's got it down to an art now. So I was over there one day and I said, hey, can I borrow that? I'm going to put it in the background here to see if anybody notices it. Well, you finally did.